Hi, I'm Linda Matthews, and in this video I'll be showing you how to make your own printable word snippets using my junk journal label templates. Word snippets are perfect to use as embellishments in your junk journals or other types of creative journals. The templates are available in 3 sizes and 2 different styles, so you can create snippets using only one word, or you can create phrases using several words. The templates are easy to use. Simply open one of the files in a photo editing program such as Photoshop, Photoshop Elements, or even Canva. I'm using Photoshop Elements. Add a digital paper and move it to a layer underneath the template layer. Then, using the text tool, add your own words and phrases. When done, save the file in JPEG format, print it out, and cut out the labels.